I hate the holidays. Every year I gotta fly the whole family down to Florida. And every year I have to listen to Sheila's mom say, "Why do you have to live like snowbirds? Why don't you just move here to Miami?" Ah.
I hear you've been a very nice girl this year, Hannah.
Santa, how do you know I've been good?
Ho, 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 ho! Well, let's just say a little birdie told me so.
Ah, it's Sheila again. I gotta go, kid.
Birdie told me so. A little 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 birdie. What's wrong, little fellow?
Well, you know that little birdie that tells Santa who's been naughty or nice? I want that little birdie to be me.
Don't be upset. This is the time of year we celebrate miracles. It's the season where everything is possible, like the baby who was born in a barn and turns out to be the Son of God, and the oil that was only supposed to last for one night, lasting for 8 nights, and the bran that was number 7 that moved up to number 2.
But how do you do it? You make it seem so easy.
Well, all you have to do is remember these 3 things. Outsmart.
Outsmart.
Outthink.
Outthink.
And, outwork.
Outwork. That's it?
That's it. Learn that and anything can happen. Ho, ho, ho!
Anything really is possible.
Ho, ho, ho! Ho, 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 ho! Ho, 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 ho! Ho, ho, ho! Ho, ho, ho! Ho, ho! How's that?